ito nga, di ba siya
negotiables and non-negotiables.
Negotiables.
Meron kang red flag na non-negotiable, meron kang green flag na non-negotiable. And, you know,
But you too, di ba? Parang Bella, you have one with Piolo.
Ano pa siya? Mga end of the year pa.
But that's post-production already.
No, hindi pa kami nag-start.
Hindi pa, sinong busy?
My fault. Hindi pa tapos yung script.
That's gonna be written and produced by you.
Not produced, written
Wow.
and acted in.
Oh, wow. Ano yun? Ba't tumingin si Kyle? Kasama rin si Kyle doon.
I don't know.
Parang kasama rin siya. Because you're friends. How's the
Hindi
working...
nga ngayon lang kami nag-meet na to eh.
Kamusta yung collaborative effort nyo naman when you, like, with this? Ito, hindi pa kasi isushoot nyo pa lang together. Pero, yeah, kung ano man yung shoot nyo.
Wala pa kami na-shoot. Actually, first time namin mag-work. First time namin together on set today. Kasi we were in Pamilya Sagrado.
Yeah.
Yes. I remember that.
Kita masyado. Hindi naman
And we never had a scene together.
Oo.
So it's our first time really working with each other. So we'll see.
Paano kayo naging close si Papa P?
Yeah. Oh.
Sa Sagrado? Or
Yes.
no?
Parang doon nag-start.
Right after Sagrado siguro. Tapos yung mga gatherings namin, sinasama namin to. Ginugulo din namin sa
Anong mo, musings mo about Bella?
musings ko.
Oo, yung mga kuro-kuro mo tungkol sa kanya. Bilang isang kaibigan.
Artistic na babae ito. So, pero, wala. I feel like we got along very well in
it's
how
actually true.
Artsy.
Artsy girl.
I feel like we get along with our views on life. So, doon kami nag-connect talaga. And yeah, ever since, I can call her one of my closest friends in the industry.
Nice.
Yeah.
Dali lang naman pakisamahan ito.
Yes!
Wala pa kaming 1 year magkakilala, pero close kami.
Oo.
Pauwi.
What have you been busy with, Kyle? Parang namamalat ka ngayon na. Nag-ano ka ba? Oo. Have you been practicing already?
Para saan?
Para kang paos.
Baka ikaw may album na i-release,
Pause pa ako?
Oo!
Baka ikaw may album na i-release.
Baka ikaw yung album. Baka naunahan mo na kumanta si JC.
Hindi naman ako pause.
Maybe it's the weather.
Maybe it's the weather. Yeah. Akala ko namamalat siya. I was like,
Yeah.
Well.
But how's everything?
Okay naman. Paano? Hindi ko alam. Yeah, okay naman.
Ready to mingle?
Sa next interview na to.
Oh! Next interview. Not ready. Not ready to talk. Okay. Yeah. But are you gonna do it? Like, let's talk about ito na nga, no? Your next projects. Besides this, are you gonna do television?
Actually, right after this, I'm shooting another film with Carlo Aquino. But right now, I want to focus on this first. Yeah. Kasi ito yung
Viva din. Ang galing. Sunod-sunod.
Na-mention ni Direk, he's interested na gawin itong musical. Is that something that you
New.
wanted to know?
Yeah, because I was like,
Baka mag-fail yung musical ko kasama ko. Silang dalawa.
Bakit?
Ako.
No,
Maglalabas dapat ang album si Stella mismo, di ba?
No, but I was surprised na ikaw yung parang, I thought you would be, you know.
No, shy. Like, I like to sing, but I can't sing like them, like on stage. Sila kasi wala silang stage right.
Konti pa, JC. Konting pilit pa.
Hindi talaga.
Kayo rin.
Kaya magbudol na
Hindi.
Feeling ko mabubudol ka nila.
Hindi.
Ang
Alam
hirap
ko yung
naman,
strength and weakness ko.
hirap naman ang original cast ng pelikula at mag-musical.
Oo, ibigay natin sa iba.
Bigay mo sa
Second time,
iba.
mas fresh. Tapos parang
Malay
iba
mo
naman
sa
interpretation.
isang special episode.
Baka maging passers-by na lang kami tatlo.
Cameo.
Sa tingin nyo, bakit may following yung tandem yung dalawa?
Oo.
Hindi naman namin alam.
Can I say? Chemistry naman nila talaga on screen and off screen naman. They work really well together. That's what I mean by I'm so privileged to be able to work with them. And kailangan ko talagang at least makasabay ako sa kanila. So,
Oo.
Surprise din kami dun sa idea na yun.
Kahit kayo pamilya ka, di ba? Tanggap nila, no?
Surprise din kami sa on-screen sinasabi ng chemistry. Ang dali lang kasi naming magtrabaho sa isa't isa. So, and we know each other well na kaya naming saluhin yung isa't isa sa eksena na in a way, maganda tignan. So, swerte.
Ikaw, Bella, anong first impression mo sa kanya na hindi nagbago?
Wala, JC's a brilliant actor. Bago pa kasi kami umapak sa Stella, napanood ko na muna yung trabaho niya. Na-invite kami sa premiere nga ng On the Wings of Love. Yung
Till I
first,
Met You.
sorry, Till I Met You, sorry, Till I Met You. Yung first teleserye niya sa ABS-CBN with Nadine and James. So, I already knew we were gonna do isang Dangtula. He didn't. So when I saw him on screen, I was like, wow, I'm really excited. Ay, ang galing niya doon. It was such a breakthrough role for him too. Tapos ang fresh ng itsura niya. So I was like, I'm so excited to be partnered with someone who is so refreshing, pati yung atake niya sa scene. So, iba kasi yung pumapasok sa trabaho na excited ka, I feel. Tapos, the first day on set, we didn't have any problems. Halos lahat ng eksena namin, kung hindi technical problem, lahat one take. So, parang nag-jive kami kagad, same wavelength kami. So, I feel like pati sa personal part ng buhay namin, lagi kaming nagtutugma kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng isa't isa, na bibigyan namin advice yung isa't isa na maayos. Parang hindi kami work friends lang. So, I think that's what carried us through 8 years and 6 movies. So,
Wow!
8.
6 movies.
years?
Wow! 6 movies! Si Kyle na, mas madami. Ikaw ba yung Gen Alpha love angle?
Gen Alpha.
Gen Z?
Yeah, Gen Z. Oo, mas bata na pa rin yung Alpha. Imbis sa panahon.
Parang
Yeah,
sakit
kasi
na
di ba-
millennials tayo.
Oo nga, di ba? No, because direct, JP was saying he's gonna inject those things, right? Like,
It's really
Nung
good.
pinitch kaya sa amin to, ang daming ang daming
Info.
terminology na hindi na namin naiintindihan.
like what?
Do you even remember?
Hindi, wait, ano yung...
Yung Sigma.
Di ba alam mo yun? Di ba Gen Z ka?
I don't know what
Di
that
ba
is.
cool?
Kasi Gen
Cool
Z
yung
or Gen
sabihin.
Alpha siya, but he's such an old soul.
Oh.
Mas matanda pa nga siya sa akin mag-isip eh. So parang, minsan mas mature pa siya sa akin. So parang, nung pitch, sabi ko, ano yung Sigma? So nagsisearch
Pati
pa
nga ako
ako.
Oo.
I hear it all the time. I don't know what it is.
Ano yung yung sinabi sa inyo yung mga love, ano yung love angle na kakaiba? Ano yung pinaka-bizarre sa inyo as millennials and as a Gen Z? Still, that is a normal thing about love. Siguro maybe being, example, fluid or who you jive with, energy. Like
I think here, specifically sa script na to, I'll give an example here. And it was discussed earlier when we were doing our reading. Yung term na limerence.
ano yan?
So,
Oh,
yung
alam mo,
limerence parang
Gen Z.
intense infatuation. I
Okay.
feel like yung older generation kasi before, di ba nakakarinig tayo ng stories na yung grandparents natin, nagkakilala, they got married after 1 week.
Oh, ang daming ganun.
Yung parang when they knew, they just knew. And they were in love. Ngayon, parang I feel like people are so scared to commit na even when they're in love, they'll pass it off as something else. Na no, it was just limerence. So, infatuation. So parang it's sad. At the same time, I understand the need for that. But, yun. Ako, I would rather just say I'm in love if I feel like I'm in love. So,
Aha.
baka different.
Kasi di ba pinag-usapan dati, pag na-in-love ka lang, sige, go lang. Tapos ngayon pala, parang may possibility na kailangan mong alamin kapag bakit kailangan mo ng relationship sa buhay.
Wow.
Is it just for validation? Is it just for...
Parang pinagdadaanan niya
I
attachment.
think alam niya.
Oo nga eh. Oo, alam na.
You've been there
Yeah.
with that survival.
Oo. Attachment files. Wow.
Kailangan mo
Wow.
munang alamin yung sarili mo bago ka pumasok sa isang relationship.
Oh, wow.
Na dati hindi natin iisip.
Oo, correct. Tayo na.
Kulang ng go.
Cool. Ikaw, Kai. O, diba? Different batch. Gen Z.
Ako?
Oo.
What about me?
Yeah! Yun na. What's your attachment style? What is, old soul ka, diba? So, ano yung bizarre para sa'yo? Kahit na it's the norm sa generation mo.
I don't know. I wouldn't.
Go lang ng go.
Gula pala, na.
I don't like to think anything is honestly bizarre, to be honest, because to each his own. However you want to love, whoever you want to love, whatever way you want to love, nasa sa'yo yan. Nasa sa inyong dalawa yan. So you can't judge someone for loving someone the way they do. So I can't say that there's a certain bizarre way of loving for me. It's just what makes you happy makes you happy.
No labels, no anything.
Nasa sa kanila yun, para sa akin. Nasa sa tao yun. Pero para sa akin naman, I mean, if I love, I really tell the person I love them. Pero for other people, I'm not one to judge. So.
Yun yung mga terms ngayon, di ba? Red flags.
Green flag. Ito nga, di ba siya na yun?
Negotiables and non-negotiables.
Negotiables.
Meron kang red flag na non-negotiable, meron kang green flag na negotiable. And, you know, yun na eh.
So, mahirap parang mahirap talaga yung isang daan awit. Parang mahirap
Very
siya.
technical siya ngayon.
Oo nga. My gosh.
If there's one really important topic about love, sabi nga ni Direk Jason, self-love, which is we're gonna be really tapped on in this film. Yeah.